Oh shit, my package is here. Let's go. Check it out, man. My package finally made it here from Shine Armor. Hell yeah. Let's see what's inside. So I just cracked this thing open. Came with, I guess, a microfiber. This is what I wanted right here. That Shine Armor. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Big Red back with another video, man. As you guys can see, I got the Shine Armor in, new sponsor, man. We're gonna post all the, stuff in the description. But anyway, so first, before I use that, I'm gonna wash the car. I'm gonna show you guys what I use to wash the Hellcat and the Scat Pack. It's all dry, we're going to apply the Shine Armor ceramic spray. So it says here we need to spray onto a microfiber towel while wipe the product onto the paint, allowing the surface to allow the product to sit 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, say less. Alright, so it's been like 5 minutes and I can still see it a little bit. It says you need to buff it in with microfiber. I'm going to use this clear coat applicator pad and just buff it in. So it's been like 2 hours or so since I washed it. It says to wait like 2 to 4 hours. Let's see how I do with the water. So I ain't even gonna put a whole lot on it because I'm not even gonna wipe it down. Let's see, I'm just going to pour a little right here. Ooh, it just beads right up, comes right off. Hey man, shout out to Shine Armor. I really appreciate y'all for reaching out. Let me use y'all's product, man. Highly recommend. I think the product was really good. It wasn't like a super thick, which I like because you have to like really buff it in when it's super thick coating. So this was really nice, really easy to use. I think it worked out really good. Look at it just beating up. Great product, y'all. Appreciate it.